Okay, so I just went over the E8. This is now the Wuben X4. One of their newer lights. It's got a side beam here, side light, which has an RGB color light, and this is a wider array that is, you can shift the color temperature of white. So down here, you've got your, pretty much always have it in lock mode. See if I can zoom in or focus that. Then you've got your side beam. So this is the white mode, and then you use the dial up here to change the brightness and color temperature of that white. And then you can press it again, or hold it rather, and then now you have the color side light here, and you can change the temperature or the color of the side light as well. So that's your side light. Then you've got your front, which you can adjust the beam on that as well. I don't know if you can. So pretty good all around everyday flashlight. It's decently hefty. It's got this really tough aluminum shell on it. You've got a magnetic base, so if you're working on the car or something like that, you can stick this to the hood, or wherever there's a metallic surface. It has a removable battery, but you don't really need to remove the battery, because here on the side, let's see if I can find it. There you go. Go all the way up to the top with it, and then you've got your USB-C charging port here. And this little guy here works well with lanyard attachments and stuff like that. So there's your Wuben X4.